Sit, Tucker, sit. Sit.
Good boy.
Who could resist that face?
Hi, buddy.
That's the idea the Puppy Love Dog Store Paws and Sweet Pups are going for.
Oh, that's a good one.
Patty Vincent and her husband own Puppy Love. Patty thought if people could see rescue dogs in a beautiful portrait, it would help the dogs get adopted.
And that's what we're really trying to do. We're trying to showcase adoptable dogs that look like your favorite pet, because every one of these dogs could be somebody's favorite pet.
Danny and Brenda Keffer of Keffer Photography volunteered to take the pictures.
I think they show the personality and the fact that rescue dogs are just like any other dog. They just need a little attention.
I guess we're just dog lovers. We've rescued dogs ourselves, and we'd have a whole yard full if we could.
Then it was time to ask stores to hang the portraits.
They were super gracious. They were all happy to do it. We intended to put one picture in each window, and they asked for 2 or 3.
So far, 8 stores have agreed to post the pictures, including Pita Pit.
They were able to have this picture set in their window. Another Sweet Pups rescue, Adopt Marty. And look at that sweet face.
Trinity, whoosh.
This is Trinity. When Paws rescued her, she was almost feral and afraid of people.
As you can see, she has come a long way. She's very, very friendly. She is good with cats, good with other dogs, housebroken.
Paws rescued Tucker, the English bulldog from Port Arthur Pound. Brianna Porter says he was in pretty bad shape.
We've had him for about a month or so now, and he's gotten a lot better. He's a really good dog. Housebroken, good with other dogs, good with cats. Just a really cool dog.
She hopes these pictures help Trinity, Tucker, and other dogs get a home.
You know, every dog needs a home for Christmas, and it's just, you know, these dogs, we do foster them so they stay in our homes, but our ultimate goal is to get them into a permanent home. We don't want them sitting in a shelter at any time of the year, but especially Christmas.
This dog, Dash, was adopted after his picture was posted and is now home for Christmas.
It's always just a rewarding feeling knowing that you saved a life, because a lot of the times when you get a dog from a shelter, that's exactly what you're doing, is saving their lives.
A project that began as a Christmas mission has become something everyone wants to continue.
I hope people can see and understand how much dogs bring into your life.
And the more dogs we do get adopted out, the more dogs we can pull from the shelters and save their lives and continue to do it.
Thanks to the pictures, Sweet Pups has had 5 dogs adopted since their pictures were posted.